When using an open flame burner in your natural gas lamp, we recommend leaving your lamp burning 24 hours a day. In doing this, you may experience occasional blowouts. Don't worry, you're not alone. This is totally normal, and we've got a variety of steps to help you prevent your open flame from blowing out. First, confirm that the valve is set between 50 and 75% open. Oftentimes, customers or installers will open the valve 100% to achieve the greatest flame. However, this will create an air pocket between the flame and the burner tip, which can cause more frequent blowouts. To resolve this, simply turn the valve back so it's set between 50 and 75%. To clean your gas lamp, first turn the valve off by turning it into the horizontal position. Then, once the stem has cooled, use a piece of dental floss and run it slowly through the tip to clear any debris or soot that may have built up in that area. Next, if there's any debris laying in the bottom of your lamp, be sure to clear that out as well. This will allow proper airflow and ventilation so that your lamp is performing at its best. If you're using a wind guard with your burner, it's important to ensure that it's installed correctly, not upside down. You'll know that it's the right way up if the burner tip is recessed completely inside the wind guard. If you see the burner tip sticking out of the wind guard at the top, you've most likely got it installed upside down. If using beveled glass, be sure the beveled side of the glass is facing in towards the burner. This will provide a proper seal on the outside of the lamp to prevent additional air from causing the open flame inside the lamp to blow out. If you follow all of these steps, this will ensure that your lamp will remain burning and bright all year long.